Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to convert image to text in MS Word. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, in my Word I have an image in my Word. So I want to convert or I want to edit this entire text into a Word file. What I have to do here? So I could be able to edit this file, but then while she was here there will be a content over there, so I just want to edit this image because this is an image I can't able to edit. Now the Word is providing we can edit the images. What I have to do here? So first and foremost, just copy and paste the image in your Word. Just go to file menu and just save a copy. So just click a save a copy and click a browse option. So and save your file into a PDF format. So just create a new folder. I just create a new folder, image to text, and I just open here. So I just want to change my image into save as type should be PDF. So just hit the button PDF and click save. Open a blank document. Just go to file and click here to open and browse. Just click here for browse, and where your files is stored, so image.pdf, just click here, click open. So it will ask for, once you open it will ask for Word will now convert your PDF editable Word document as you mentioned here. So just click here for OK. Automatically your text will be converted into image, will be converted into text as you see here, but then I can type. So she has given something I can type, I can edit whatever I want, I can delete and edit whatever I want, I can do. So this is a beautiful option while you see the images. So while you see a textable editable format, so this is a beautiful option. First and foremost, you need to make a PDF, then open that PDF into Word. Automatically it will convert into Word. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.